Good evening, my fellow SAP students. I'm here tonight to talk to you about the modules in SAP. I'm being told that there's 64 modules in SAP. I'm going to talk about a lot of them. I don't know if I'm going to be talking about all 64 of them. I've got my information from sapoverview.blogspot.co.uk, and if you're interested and you want to look it up, I also took my information from the WISE Core training website. I'm not going to be able to give you any definitions because there's just too much information to cover in the short amount of time of this video. So I'm just going to give you a brief overview, but you can always stop the video and look at it more closely and read the text if you feel that you need to. The first set of modules in SAP are your financial modules, which include financial accounting, controlling, investment management, treasury, and enterprise control. Your logistics modules include material management, sales and distribution, production planning and control, production data management, quality management, plant maintenance, service management, and project systems. Human resource modules include personnel management, organizational management, payroll accounting, time management, personnel development, training, and event management. Cross-application modules include workflow and SAP Office. You've got a module called SAP High Performance Analytic Application, and that is a new module that's to do with business operations. And if you want to know more about it, you can stop the video and read what's been typed. You also have SAP Test Data Migration Server, and what that does is that allows the testers to test the system because they don't want to test on a live system, so they would have to have like test data to do their testing on. You've got something called ABAP, Advanced Business Application Programming, and SAP is written in that language, which is called ABAP, and there's lots of different modules that go along with that if you get into programming. You have information systems management, and that's to do with the computer technology of SAP. That has a lot of modules in it as well, and you can obviously stop your video and read it a little bit more in depth if you want to know more about that. You've got your SAP Business Suite definition, which is a collection of various SAP enterprise software that ensure optimized execution of business strategy, which consists of 5 systems below, which are customer relationship management, enterprise resource planning, product lifecycle management, supply chain management, and supplier relationship management. And then it goes on into more detail about what customer relationship management, enterprise resource planning, strategic enterprise management do. And they have submodules. It talks about the product lifecycle management, and it has submodules as well. And then you go into the supply chain management, which that has submodules in it too. You've got the supply relationship management. So you have your functional modules, which your financial accounting, that's where the finances is performed in SAP, and that has submodules in it as well. You've got your controlling module, and that goes along with the finance module hand in hand, and they quite often call it FICO, F-I-C-O. That has submodules in it also. You've got your treasury module, which is also one of the financial modules, and it has submodules in it as well. Capital investment management is another financial module, which is used hand in hand with the FICO and treasury. You've got your human resource modules that go along with the human resource department. And then you've got a whole big list of submodules within the human resource module. You've got logistics and manufacturing. That's sales and distribution, and then you have materials. And both sales and distribution and materials have submodules that go along with them as well. Product planning, it has submodules too. And then you have your plant maintenance module, which has many submodules. You've got your quality management, which has many submodules. You've got your project system, which has many submodules. You've got general logistics, which has many submodules. You've got cross-application module that I believe it allows the different modules to talk to each other. You've got the workflow, and again, I believe that that's what allows the different modules to talk to each other as well. You've got your project systems module and your industry solutions. And that just about covers it for the SAP modules. I don't know if I covered all 64. I did actually go into the SAP Community Network and ask the question, and so far I haven't got a good answer, but if I do get a good answer, I certainly will let you know. So I hope you've gotten something out of this presentation. Bye.